That small yellow light can mean something minor or something serious.
Modern cars store fault codes that tell you exactly what's wrong.
A misfire code like P0300 often means spark plug or ignition issues.
A faulty oxygen sensor can affect fuel efficiency and emissions.
Sometimes it's as simple as a loose gas cap. Ignoring the warning could damage your catalytic converter.
If the light is flashing, stop driving immediately.
Diagnose early to prevent expensive repairs.
After fixing the issue, the light can be reset.
Understand the warning. V. Protect your engine.